Hello, traders. Today we're diving into the current state of global financial markets, looking at key assets like the US dollar index, crude oil, gold, and some other major currency pairs. We'll break down the latest movements and what to watch for next. Let's get started. Let's start with the US dollar index. The dollar has been pretty volatile recently. After an early attempt at recovery, the index is now hovering just above the 108 level. But here's the thing, it's under pressure, and if selling picks up, it could even drop further. What's driving this? Well, markets are waiting for President Trump's next steps, especially regarding his economic plan and tariffs. The dollar lost momentum after hitting key resistance levels like 109 and dropped to a near 2 week low of 107.87. If the selling continues, we could see the dollar fall to 107.58 or even 107. But if there's a recovery, targets to watch are 108.57 and 109. Now turning to oil. Oil prices have been up and down, especially after President Trump issued some major executive orders. One of the big ones is his plan to slap a 25% tariff on Canadian imports, which could affect the cost of Canadian oil exports. Oil prices are trading around $76, but the market is still feeling uncertainty. Trump has promised more drilling and energy projects, which could weigh on prices in the long run. Meanwhile, easing tensions in the Middle East could also limit oil's upside potential. From a technical standpoint, oil has been trading in a range between $69 and $70, with recent peaks near 79.37. If prices drop, keep an eye on the 75.48 level and 74.01. Next up is gold. Gold has been on a strong upward trend, hitting highs not seen since November. It's currently trading just below $2,750. What's fueling this? The US dollar's weakness combined with market fears about potential tariffs from President Trump is pushing investors towards gold as a safe haven. Looking at the charts, gold remains bullish. The technical indicators show that the upward trend is still strong, and a breakout above $2,750 could drive prices towards the all-time high of $2,790. However, if gold falls below 2,700, it could test support at $2,670. Moving on to the Australian dollar against the US dollar. Despite a strong rebound on Monday, the Australian dollar fell back below 0.63, struggling to hold onto its gains. The market is reacting to President Trump's economic updates, and traders are also keeping an eye on potential rate cuts by the Reserve Bank of Australia. Right now, the pair is testing the 0.6212 support level, with further downside potential if it breaks below 0.6164. On the upside, the next target to watch is 0.63, followed by a 50-day moving average around 0.6335. Lastly, let's look at the USDJPY. Despite some volatility, the pair has remained relatively stable even after Trump's tariff announcements. The market is optimistic about the Bank of Japan possibly raising interest rates soon, which is helping to support the yen. The dollar yen is holding support around the 155 level, but with the RSI pointing downward, there's a chance it could continue to fall. If it breaks below 154.5, the next level to watch is 154. On the other hand, a push above 156 could send the pair towards 157 and beyond. So to wrap things up, there's a lot of volatility in the markets right now. The US dollar is under pressure. Oil is struggling to gain momentum. Gold is rallying as a safe haven, and currency pairs like AUDUSD and USDJPY are seeing mixed reactions. As always, stay tuned to any updates from President Trump's administration, especially regarding tariffs and economic policies, as these will likely continue to shape market movements. Keep an eye on key technical levels, and we'll be back to break it all down for you in the next update. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more market insights.